when I'm playing at weddings, which I do a lot of people like background music. So this is a little bit of a lesson about how to fill in some pieces of music or some improvisation, just using some jazz chords. Really nice simple ones, major 7s and 9s and sus4s, but argumentative. It's a simple dive into what is considered as probably background jazz, that kind of sound. Okay, so here we're going to go. I'll see you in the rinky dinky jazzy-o. So what's a 7th chord, what's a 9th chord, what's an augmentative chord? Let's take a look at the 7th chord. We're in the key of G major. Okay, so when we think about the 7th chord, we've first of all got to think about what the 7th note is. Now, we're talking about major 7s, we're not talking about minor 7s or kind of like dominant 7s, because they're more of a blues and rock kind of sound. We're talking about major 7s. So we're going to go G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. That's number 7, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so let's play a G chord with that, okay? And the G chord comprises of, you've got it, 1, 3, 5. So it's G, B, and D. And the F sharp on top. That's in root position. Alright? Now, because we're going to play some bass line around about the G root, and we're going to play some 5-1 type of sounds, I'm going to take off the G there and give it more of a B minor shape there, look. Okay? So obviously without a G in it, it actually is B minor. So it depends what you put in the bass, will give you what harmony you're playing. Let's take a look at this for a moment. Hear that? Okay. So all I'm doing there is playing G and D, which is our tonic or 1 and 5th there, look. And comping through the G major 7 chord, or the B minor, because it is a B minor until I put the G in. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And just play something like that. Now what works with G major 7? A minor 7 sounds great. Watch this. So on the right hand we're playing C there, look. C in G. However, when we play the A on the bass, it gives us A minor 7. Okay? And we can do this. And we're going to play A down to an E. Okay? So same formation like this, look. Just done 1, 5. We're going to go 1 down to there. And the 5th of A minor, which is E. Okay? Have a listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how it sounds? Put those two together, and then you've got a nice little rhythm section. Here we go. A 1. Oh, got a drummer! Got a new drummer. It's called Yamal Modex. My new synth. You can't see it, but it sounds fab. And I've got some new tech to talk about, but not today. We're doing major 7th and 9th. 9th chords. That's coming soon. And now we're going to play with the drummer. Okay, you ready? Mr. Jazz Walls Acoustic number 1 MA. Here we go. Oh, sweet that. And the 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to A minor. So on. Okay, so we're playing for the chords on the beat mostly. There's a little bit of pull and push there. Okay, nice little rhythms there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And they could do a similar kind of thing in A minor. You're pushing that bass line in. Your bass line is kind of pushing your chords. Alternatives, ba 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 ba. Another one sounds great with this one. It's an F major 7. So staying with the major 7 tones, the F major 7 basically in the right hand you're playing it in A minor. Okay, don't get confused with A minor on the right. Okay, it would be an F there. Look. However, we're going to take that away and play it on the bass. And it opens it up. Okay, and then we're going to go like this, same kind of rhythm. Okay. Let's put it together. 2, 3, 4. Pass your notes. Up to the next one. G major 7. Okay, and so on. The more chords you've got in your belt, the better you are. So that takes me on to the 9th chord. So see you in the rinky dinky 9th. He's still here. Okay, now then, a 9th chord. We're going to stay in G for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we are. Okay, that's how we found our 9th. Okay, we can't have a 9th chord until we've got the 7th in place. Otherwise, it'd be a +2. Okay, so that'd be a +2, or that'd be a 9th chord. How do we get there? Dead easy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simple as that. Okay, so got to have the 7, 8, 9. So this time I'm going to play a B, giving a major tonality. I'm going to play the F sharp, which is the major 7. I'm going to play the A. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. I'm taking away the 5th. The 5th is less important, and we're covering it in the left hand anyway. So take a look at this. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. So a slow drummer down. It's getting a bit tired, so I'm knocking him down to 100 BPM. He's a good lad. He's been working hard for me today. Okay, so are you ready? Well, get on with it then. Get your fingers ready. I'm not waiting here all day, you know. I've got things to do. Ah, dear me. Right, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, that's what we're looking for. And now we're going to go down to F. So what's the 9th note of an F scale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course it's G, isn't it? Okay, but we need the E in. Okay, and this time I'm going to play the A down here. So I've kind of got 1, 3, and 5 finger wise, but the actual notes are 3, okay, 7, and 9. Okay, and with the 1 and 5 here, we kind of got all the notes belonging to that lovely chord. How nice is that? So I want you to practice. Yeah, you just there. That's right. You're listening. Good. Okay, so G major 7. No, G major 9 even. There we go. And then move it slowly down to an F major 9. Okay, like this. Back up to G major 9. And down to F major 9. Okay, and you could put a little fill in. Okay, a little swing rhythm. Put right notes, it might help. Now the other one I would look at is A minor again, of course. So I would go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got that one, and we've got that one, and we'll take the 5th out of the A, so we'll go for a C minor 3rd. Okay, actually that sounds like a C major 7, doesn't it? Okay, however, let's put the root in. There we go, which makes that the 7th and the 9, and the 5th for good measure. Okay, so go. Practice going up and down from F to G to A minor, that type of thing. Nice to run through the chords. Let's have a go with the drums. Come on, you. Put your cup of tea. Cup of tea. Got to get your brew in. Oh, it's gone cold. So, here we go. This is going to be epic jazz. Are you ready? Get ready, because we're doing it right now. 2, 3, and G. F. G, and F. Right, A minor, ready? And G. F, sorry. Back up G. Oh, major 7 there, see? And you can kind of work around you. Oh, well done, by the way. Well done, brilliant work. That was great, that was. Okay. Oh, cheers. Nice one, thank you. Okay, so sometimes a 9 can turn to a 7th, can't it? Like that. So this is the nice technique. Separating your right hand between 2 sections, you could go. Or any kind of nice little rhythmics and work for your jazz waltz or jazz cocktail bar type stuff. Combine it. And then beautiful chord to finish with. That's a gorgeous chord. What is that? Well, that's a... Let's take a look, see what it is. I'm not going to tell you, we're going to work it out. You've got to do some work as well, you know. Okay. What we've got there is bass and a D7 chord, or D minor 7. Let's take a look. From scratch, let's go. D chord. Alright. Put the 7th in, but down here. So we'll take the D away and put the 7th in. Okay. That's D dominant 7th, and we've still got it in a major. We've got to make it minor. Now, the way to make a minor chord is by flattening the 3rd, and that is F sharp down to F. Are you with it? Nice one. Okay, so now I've got an F chord. How do you get from F to a... Oh. Okay, and then we're going to go this chord here, this, and then this note, the A goes to the A sharp. A sharp or B flat. Okay. Technically, it will probably be a A sharp because we're working in a sharp key. Okay, don't get me started. It's another subject for another day, and I can't be bothered to do that one today. Okay, so it doesn't look like a D chord at all, but with the bass line of D, it does make it a D chord. Could be an S+4 D bass as well, but more D minor, okay, because you've got the 10th there, the minor tone. I think you're voicing. Okay, but it's really nice clashing. And actually, what we're doing, we're just going down like this. Chromatics. Again, chromatics are used in jazz a lot. Just comb through your chords. Spread it, glissando, whatever you call it. Okay. Okay, so let's try this one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. F. Back to G. A minor. And then D will go. And we're away. Chromatic on the left hand, F sharp. Up. Shut up. Okay, so I want you to politely go away and enjoy that, okay, and let me know below what you'd like me to do next. Musically, not like anything stupid, because I'm sensible today. See you later. Enjoy your jazz.